I'm so hungry.
You just hit your head on the wall. Don't even act like you're in it. Oh, shit.
What's up? Want a Pop-Tart? Sorry, we ain't got none. He's a brat and he won't give me one.
I gave you one. Clean that up, bro.
Yeah, clean it up.
Yeah, anyway, guys, so, I'm hungry. I can't. No.
Dude, we're having gravy.
What are you having for dinner?
Biscuits and gravy and sausages and these nuts.
And
Yeah, anyway, guys, welcome to the vlog. Hi, I'm Joseph, Joe, that's Fireman, and that's Dylan.
It's logically.
No, you're Dylan.
Logically.
I said you're Dylan!
Logically.
Anyway, it's Dylan!
What
Dylan.
Fuck you.
Okay. And I got Mater sucking my penis.
What?
Just like... He likes that. Who's that?
Faggot.
See, this is face check. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So sorry.
Fag.
Can you forgive me?